First, we'll start with a blank project. We'll go to our point cloud section and click on Import Scene Project Point Cloud. Now you have to have a project point cloud created within Scene for this to work. In this case, I've created a project point cloud. And as the project point cloud loads up, I'll go ahead and zero it down on the ground plane. I'll do that by clicking on the cloud tools, cloud positioning tools, and then I'll click Elevate to pick point Z only, and then click anywhere on the ground. And that will place this ground level at a 0 plane. Next, I'll go into the VR environment. I'll go to the ground section and turn off the grid. I'll right-click outside the circle, and that rotates me around the center of the drawing. By holding the mouse wheel down and dragging the target toward the center of the circle and then zooming in, I'll drag down just a little more, and now click outside the circle with the right mouse button. Now I can see all my spheres. Next, I'll go to Power Tools. I'll make sure that the Auto Snaps sphere selection is on. I'll tell it to find the spheres using the automatic mode. I'll click on my spheres one at a time and allow the program to calculate the sphere size and identify the center mass of each sphere. Now I'll go to the point cloud or the trajectory tool, and I'll click on the sphere closest to the target board and then the sphere furthest away. I'll change the length in this case to about 20 feet. Now this is adjustable by you at any time. I'll click on the trajectory tool again, click on the sphere closest to the target, then the one furthest away, type in 20 feet for the length, and I'll continue to repeat this process. By default, the trajectory is set up using the 5-degree error cone. All of these items can be adjusted by the user. Now this was a shoot that we did earlier today. The shooter was resting on a tripod, and you can see all of the trajectory lines are pretty doggone close. And the convergence is back at the articulation point where we would expect it to be. So everything worked as expected. I'll show you just a few things about the trajectory line properties. You can change the colors. You can see the impact and origin position, XYZ positions, so you could calculate the angles yourself to confirm the accuracy. You can change the angle convention. You can change the azimuth, the inclination, the length, the origin elevation, the cone percent on the vertical axis, and the cone percent on the horizontal as well. And that's unique to this program. You can change the impact plane yaw and pitch so that it matches the wall or maybe a windshield that was shot. You can also choose to automatically align the impact plane or manually align the impact plane. Under the settings, you can change the plane size. You can change whether or not the shot continues through the plane. In other words, if it goes out the back side. You can change the horizontal distance, the trajectory rod size, the line color, the cone color, the plane color, the arrow size. You can choose to show the arrow or not. You can also have a double arrow, and you can reverse the trajectory. So lots of control with the trajectories. I hope this has been helpful for you. This also works with rods, and we'll cover that in another segment. Thank you very much for watching.